Hi, this is Cara from Enchanted Vines, and thank you for checking out the new membership group From Passion to Profit. And this group is really about that. You know, in 2021, I was able to transition out of a 20-year career to do what I love. So this group is really about taking, you know, a hobby or a craft and spinning it into something that could be a successful side hustle or even your full-time career. So I really want to be like your small biz bestie. I mean, there's so many hats we have to wear, and there's so many hours in the day, and it can just be really overwhelming. So I'm here to help with all of those things, whether it's, you know, Etsy, social media, marketing, you know, all of those things. In addition, we have a few perks. So we have a private members only Facebook group. The community itself is like phenomenal. So there's a lot of resources shared. It's a very, very giving and supportive group. So like you really feel like you're part of a tribe. And we're gonna have monthly guest designers. We're also gonna have quarterly Zoom calls with a Coach Aaron Montgomery, who really caters specifically to overwhelmed small business owners. And we're gonna have some other perks. We're gonna have discounts on wreath kits. And then also I'm offering, kind of for like the first time, is really how to put on in-person workshops. For 2024, more than half my revenue was doing in-person workshops. So I'm really here to help with that as well. It seems to be a big topic of interest lately. So yes, so that and more, because it's a new group, we can kind of form it to fit our needs. So if you have any questions, let me know, and otherwise we'd love to have you join.